Never change the date on your watch like this, because you might actually damage the movement inside. A lot of people don't know this, and it's one of the most common mistakes watch owners make. Today, I'll show you how to change the date on the watch properly, and more importantly, when you should never do it. I'll demonstrate everything on this watch right here, which is actually a watch I built myself using parts from AliExpress. And if you want to see how I built it, I'll link that video at the end. Inside most mechanical watches, the date changes automatically around midnight. There is a small mechanism inside the movement that starts engaging a few hours before midnight and finishes the date after. So during that time, the gears responsible for the date are already under tension, and that's where the problem starts. You should never manually change the date when the watch time is between roughly 8 p.m. and 3 a.m. During those hours, date change mechanism is already engaged, and if you force the date change during that time, you can actually bend or break date wheel or gears, and repairing that can be much more expensive than the watch itself. So here is the safe way to do it. First, pull the crown to the time setting position, move the hands until the time is around 6 o'clock. Now the date mechanism is completely disengaged, and now it's perfectly safe to change the date using the quick set function. And if you're wondering about this watch, like I said, I actually built it myself from AliExpress parts. It was really fun project, so if you want to see a full build, check out the video linked here. And if you enjoy watch content like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.